Hello guys, we are here at Tours Letters Cafe. This is the first time that we check this one. It's a French bakery shop. Let's see. We have this one. It's nice, guys. This is a bakery shop. Wow. Bakery shop. New arrived lang ka na rin si Taco?
Ha?
New arrived. Milk pillow bread.
Isa?
Fried one, yeah. It's new arrived. That's their bread. Fresh red bean bread. Premium red bean, double chocolate muffin, blueberry muffin, cream cheese tart, new arrived. How about this one? Mocha, new arrived. We'll try it, right? Because this is the first time that we're eating, so I don't know if this is good. Croque Monchero, sweet frank roll. Guys, so first time tayo dito sa bakery ito, guys. It was located at Pleasant Hill. Oh, olive tomato. I think this is good. Yeah, olive tomato. Meron sila mga ibang mga brand, guys. So, sarap dito, guys. So, meron pa silang ham and cheese. Frozen. Yan, oh. Chocolate dip. Wow. So beautiful. So yummy. So yum on your tummy, guys. I think this is a good thing because I see the prices, it's only like $3.95. The highest is right now is $4.75. Oh no, yeah. $4.95. That's all. That's it. Yeah. See here, guys, the music's not intended to us, so it's